exposing the power in your data. Imagine you're a business professional standing at the crossroads of data and decision-making. The key to unlocking your potential lies in the art of data visualization. In our data-driven era, the ability to weave stories from numbers is a game-changer. Enter Power BI, your trusty companion in this journey. Crafted by Microsoft, Power BI is a robust business intelligence tool. It transforms raw data into insightful, visually compelling narratives. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a business professional, Power BI offers a user-friendly platform to unlock the hidden gems within your data. Once upon a time, data analysis was confined to specialized departments, creating bottlenecks in decision-making. But with Power BI, the power of data is democratized, allowing everyone in an organization to explore, visualize, and understand data. This accessibility nurtures a data-driven culture where informed decisions are made at every level. Gone are the days of static spreadsheets and lengthy reports. Power BI breathes life into data with dynamic dashboards and interactive reports. By presenting data in a clear, concise, and visually appealing manner, Power BI helps stakeholders grasp insights quickly and effortlessly. This leads to faster, more effective decision-making, driving business success. As we journey deeper into the world of Power BI, we'll uncover its key features, step-by-step guides, and best practices for mastering data visualization. Whether you're identifying trends, spotting anomalies, or communicating your findings compellingly, Power BI equips you to become a master of data storytelling. Imagine setting off on a grand data adventure with Power BI, where every click unveils a new discovery. Your journey begins with a simple step: downloading and installing the Power BI desktop application from the Microsoft website, a treasure trove available for free. With the application installed, you launch it, and the Power BI desktop interface welcomes you like an old friend. The interface is crafted with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring your adventure is smooth and intuitive. The Home tab is your command center, offering quick access to essential actions like getting data, creating new reports, and revisiting recent files. At the top, the ribbon unfurls a comprehensive set of tools and features, organized into intuitive tabs, ready to assist you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the ribbon's layout, your primary command center for all data visualization endeavors. On the left, the report view awaits, a canvas for your visualizations and dashboards. Here you'll craft your visualizations and dashboards, bringing your data stories to life. The Fields pane, typically on the right, displays the data fields from your imported dataset, ready to be woven into your visualizations. These fields are the building blocks for your insights, transforming raw data into meaningful stories. Spend some time exploring the various elements of the Power BI desktop interface, each one a piece of your data adventure. Don't hesitate to click on different buttons and options, each one a potential gateway to new insights. The more familiar you become with the interface, the more efficiently you'll navigate Power BI, unlocking its full potential and making your data adventure truly epic. Imagine you're about to embark on a journey to create stunning visualizations. The first step on this adventure is importing your data into Power BI. Power BI opens up a world of possibilities, supporting a vast array of data sources. Whether it's a simple Excel spreadsheet or a sophisticated cloud-based database, Power BI has you covered. To begin, click on the Get Data button in the Home tab. From there, select the data source that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, Power BI will guide you through the import process step by step. You might need to provide credentials, choose specific tables or queries, or define data types along the way. Thanks to Power BI's intuitive interface, importing data is a breeze, even for those with limited technical expertise. After importing your data, the next crucial step is to clean and prepare it for analysis. This ensures that your data is accurate, consistent, and ready for visualization. Power BI offers a range of powerful data transformation tools through the Power Query Editor. Within the Power Query Editor, you can remove duplicates, handle missing values, change data types, and shape your data to meet your specific needs. Taking the time to clean and prepare your data is crucial for creating accurate and meaningful visualizations. By ensuring data quality from the start, you'll avoid misleading insights and ensure your visualizations tell the true story hidden within your data. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Ensuring data quality is the foundation of any successful data visualization journey. Once upon a time, in the world of data, there was a powerful tool called Power BI. With your data imported and prepared, the stage is set for the most thrilling part of the journey, creating visualizations. Power BI, like a master artist, offers a rich palette of visualization options, each designed to bring out the unique beauty of your data and insights. From the sturdy bar charts and elegant line graphs to the dynamic scatter plots and detailed maps, there's a perfect visualization for every story you wish to tell. To craft your masterpiece, simply select the desired visual from the visualization pane and then drag and drop the relevant data fields from the Fields pane. Like magic, Power BI automatically generates the visualization based on your selections, bringing your data to life. Imagine you want to create a bar chart showing sales by region. You would select the bar chart visual, drag the region field to the axis well, and the sales field to the values well. Voila! Your data story begins to unfold. As you weave your visualizations, remember the principles of effective data storytelling. Choose the right chart type that best conveys your data and message. Use clear and concise labels, titles, and legends to guide your audience through the narrative. Avoid clutter and unnecessary distractions that might detract from your story. And most importantly, focus on telling a compelling story with your data. By following these best practices, you can transform raw data into captivating visuals that inform, engage, and inspire action. Remember, the goal of data visualization is not just to create pretty pictures, but to communicate insights effectively, turning data into a story that resonates. Welcome to Section 5, Dashboards, your interactive data story. Imagine a canvas where your data comes to life, telling stories through interactive dashboards in Power BI. Here, you can weave together multiple visualizations, images, and text boxes into a single, cohesive narrative. This allows you to present a comprehensive overview of your data, highlighting key insights at a glance. To begin crafting your dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard view in Power BI Desktop. From there, you can pin existing visualizations from your reports or create new ones directly on the dashboard. Customize your dashboard by resizing, rearranging, and tweaking the appearance of elements to achieve the perfect layout and visual appeal. Interactivity is the heart of Power BI dashboards. By incorporating filters, slicers, and drill-down capabilities, you empower users to explore data on their own terms. Imagine adding a slicer that allows users to filter sales data by region, time period, or product category. This interactivity not only enhances user engagement, but also facilitates deeper data exploration. Dashboards become powerful tools for monitoring key performance indicators, tracking progress towards goals, and identifying areas for improvement. By providing stakeholders with access to real-time data and interactive dashboards, you foster a data-driven culture and empower everyone to make informed decisions. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into the art of sharing your insights and collaborating with Power BI. Imagine you've crafted a stunning dashboard filled with insightful visualizations. But the journey doesn't end there. The real magic happens when you share these findings with your stakeholders, bringing your data story to life. Power BI opens up a world of possibilities for sharing and collaborating on your reports and dashboards. Picture this. You publish your reports to the Power BI service, a cloud-based platform where you can effortlessly share your work with individuals or groups. This service acts as a secure, centralized hub, allowing everyone to access and interact with the shared content seamlessly. Alternatively, you can export your reports to various formats like PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel, making it easy to share your insights in the format that suits your audience best. Collaboration is at the heart of Power BI. Imagine multiple users working on the same report or dashboard simultaneously, each contributing their expertise to create a comprehensive data story. Comments and annotations can be added, turning your reports into a living document where feedback and ideas flow freely. By harnessing Power BI's sharing and collaboration features, you break down data silos, foster transparency, and ensure everyone has the information they need to make informed decisions. This is where your data truly comes to life. Welcome to Chapter 7, where we embark on a journey through Power BI's advanced toolkit. Imagine you're a data explorer, venturing into the depths of data analysis and visualization. Power BI equips you with a suite of advanced features to navigate this terrain. At the heart of this toolkit lies DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, a powerful formula language that amplifies Power BI's analytical prowess. With DAX, you can craft calculated columns, measures, and custom formulas, enabling you to perform intricate calculations and sophisticated data modeling. Next, we encounter Power Query, the engine that drives data connectivity and transformation. It offers a graphical interface to shape and prepare data from a myriad of sources. Picture yourself merging data from different tables, pivoting and unpivoting data, creating custom columns, and performing a wide array of data transformations with ease. Power BI's journey doesn't end there. It seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft tools and services, such as Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. This integration allows you to harness existing data sources, share insights across platforms, and streamline your workflows, making your data journey smoother. By mastering these advanced features, you unlock the full potential of Power BI, empowering you to tackle even the most challenging data analysis and visualization tasks with confidence. Chapter 8. The beginning of your data visualization adventure. Imagine a world where data isn't just numbers and charts, but a vibrant story waiting to be told. Power BI is your key to unlocking this world. With Power BI, you can transform raw data into insightful narratives that drive decisions, enhance communication, and propel your business forward. Throughout this journey, we've explored the essentials of Power BI, from setting up the tool and importing data to crafting stunning visualizations and dashboards. We've delved into sharing insights and uncovering advanced features that make your data stories even more compelling. But remember, this is just the beginning. The adventure of data visualization is a continuous journey. As you dive deeper into Power BI, you'll uncover new techniques, unlock hidden features, and develop your own unique style of data storytelling. Embrace the power of data visualization with Power BI and embark on a journey filled with discovery, insight, and informed decision-making. The world of data is vast and full of potential. Your adventure awaits. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more insights and tutorials. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content.